Today I am reviewing the Skytech Legacy 4 gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor. With a base clock of 4.7 GHz and a turbo boost of up to 5.2 GHz, this CPU is engineered for peak performance. Whether you're gaming at ultra settings, streaming at high bit rates, or multitasking between demanding software, this processor delivers lightning-fast response times and flawless performance. Plus, being built on AMD's latest 3D V-Cache technology, the 9800X 3D excels in gaming scenarios where latency and cache size matter most. But power means nothing without graphical muscle. And that's where the AMD Radeon RX 7900X DX 24GB graphics card takes the spotlight. This is a top-tier GPU that handles even the most graphically intense games with ease. Whether you're playing Call of Duty, Baldur's Gate 3, ELDEN RING Shadow of the Erdtree, Dragon's Dogma 2, or the upcoming Black Myth Wukong, you can crank up the settings to Ultra and still enjoy smooth 1440p or even 4K gameplay at over 60 frames per second. The 24GB of GDDR6 RAM ensures that texture-heavy games and open-world environments load smoothly without a hiccup. Next up, storage and memory. This machine includes a massive 4TB Gen4 NVMe SSD. That's 4,000 GB of blazing fast solid-state storage. No more loading screens. No more lag when switching apps. With read and write speeds up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives, this SSD ensures everything from game loads to large video files opens in the blink of an eye. To complement all that speed, you're also getting a massive 64 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6,000 MHz. This isn't just overkill for gaming. This is elite-tier memory ideal for video editing, 3D modeling, streaming, and heavy multitasking. You'll never feel bottlenecked, no matter how many Chrome tabs, recording sessions, or game overlays you have open. Let's talk about cooling, because with hardware this powerful, staying cool is key. The Skytech Legacy 4 comes equipped with a 360mm ARGB AIO liquid cooler. This all-in-one liquid cooling system isn't just there to look pretty, though the RGB effects are undeniably sleek. It's there to keep your CPU cool under the most intense workloads. No thermal throttling, no overheating, just consistent, reliable performance. Whether you're gaming for hours or rendering video projects overnight, this cooler handles it all effortlessly. Now, all this power is housed inside the Skytech Legacy gaming case with a tempered glass side panel, giving you full visibility of your custom build, RGB memory, and liquid cooling in action. The case also offers high airflow, so your components are always running at optimal temperatures. And for those who care about design, this setup is a beautiful centerpiece for any gaming or creative workstation. Connectivity? This rig has it all. It supports Wi-Fi out of the box and features a variety of USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports, along with HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, making it compatible with any gaming monitor setup. And yes, it includes a free gaming keyboard and mouse, so you're ready to plug in and play from day one. One important thing to note is that this system is assembled in the USA, backed by a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, and includes free technical support, which is a big plus if you ever run into issues or just need help optimizing your setup. User reviews speak volumes, and with a solid 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 500 customers, the consensus is clear. The Skytech Legacy 4 is a beast of a machine that delivers incredible performance across the board. Whether you're a serious gamer, content creator, or power user, this PC offers future-proof specs, high-tier performance, and reliable cooling, all wrapped up in a clean, premium build.